Aloha mai, Aramahi here for our final word from our mission statement from Partners in Development Foundation. Remember how it goes? Partners in Development Foundation inspires and equips families and communities for success and service using timeless Native Hawaiian values and traditions. Traditions, the word. We've chosen this word, Moʻomeheu, taken from Mo'o, linear succession, Meheu, a well-trodden pathway. So we see this as culture or cultural traditions. Hulo, hulo, he kumu Moʻomeheu Hawaii oia, ma ke kula ki e kie o Roosevelt. Hooray, hooray, he is a Hawaiian cultural teacher at Roosevelt High School. We hope that you've enjoyed this series that we've had for you. E ola i ka ʻōlelo Hawaii. Aloha.